Matapos hambalusin ni Pia Cayetano itong si Risa Hontiveros sa day 2 sa klase ng kanyang pagtatanong, hindi na natuto. Umulit na naman mga kababayan. Ipinaglihi ka ba sa pagkapahiya? O, pakinggan natin to ha.
Para sa Counsel for the Defense, Mr. Presiding Officer, just for clarity, ano pong relevance nung video na ipinakita ni Attorney Zuleika Lopez? Sinasabi po ba ng depensa na yung mga alleged threats o alleged incitements ni VP Duterte ay prompted nung detention ni Attorney Lopez?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a systematic oppression made by the House of Representatives dating back from their even before their mini trial, Your Honor. The committee headed by Representative Joel Chua began investigating the Vice President and her people, even when Attorney Zuleika Lopez was being interviewed by the House Committee of Quadcom Committee, Your Honor. Even if she was answering the questions faithfully and to the best of her ability, she was cited in contempt, detained. Her lawyer was not allowed. Her lawyer was not allowed to be with her when they were trying to detain her in the women's correctional facility, Your Honor.
So, ang pinakita kasi yung video noong press conference ni Vice President Sara Duterte kung saan nga nasabi niya yung mga katagang kung papatayin ako, meron akong kinausap na tao na wag titigil para patayin si Bongbong, si Lisa, at si Martin. 'Di ba? Ang ipinapakita ng defense ay yung paano nga ba napunta sa ganong sitwasyon, bakit nasabi ni Vice President Sara Duterte yon. O, 'di ba? 'Yon yung gustong ipakita ng depensa. O, tuloy natin.
So, Mr. Presiding Officer, Counsel for the Defense, position po ba ng depensa na pwedeng palampasin ng alleged grave threats kung may masasabing lehitimong dahilan para magbanta?
Your Honor, that is not the point.
Hindi niya kasi nakuha yung point. Nag-i-insinuate ka na dito na naman na dahil ba merong dahilan, nakapagbanta si Vice President Sara Duterte, libre na ba siya? Ganon? Ang sabi dito, Your Honor, that's not the point. Big sabihin, hindi mo nakuha yung punto na gustong iponto ng depensa Risa Hontiveros. Makinig ka kasi. Yan kasi ang nakukuha pag prejudge na, di ba?
No. Mr. Presiding Officer.
Anong no? Tuturuan mo yung isasagot ng defense? No. May mumukha mo.
Sir, I am making a point through my question and I am asking the good counsel for the defense.
You're making a point and you're asking a question. Ano ba talaga?
Dahil sinabi nila there was a systematic oppression that yes, yan po ang nag-prompt nung alleged grave threats and alleged incitements ng Vice President na prompt po ng detention ni Attorney Lopez na kanyang inilarawan sa ipinakitang video kanina. Kaya itinatanong ko kung yan ba ang posisyon ng depensa na pwedeng okay lang or pwedeng tanggapin ang grave threats kung may masasabing lehitimong dahilan para magbanta.
Yes, Your Honor.
Before Counsel
Yes,
for
Mr. Presiding
responded, answered.
Tara. Makapahiya ka na naman.
Although he already answered in the affirmative.
No. Anong affirmative? Hindi siya nag-affirmative. Ano ka ba?
Your Honor, I was just referring to before.
We'd like to remind the senator judges to be cautious in making counsels for either party make conclusions of law and fact instead of
Correct. Gusto mo na naman na yung may facts na naman na lumabas. Gusto mo na yung sinasabi mo ay maging basehan ng pagde-decide ng mga judges at ng mga taong bayan na sumusubaybay dito sa impeachment proceedings na ito. Risa Hontiveros, yan na naman kasi ang gusto mo. Meron na namang gustong ipalabas na konklusyon, which is hindi pa pwede kasi nasa proceeding pa lang kayo. 'Di ba?
presenting evidence through a witness they will present or through direct, cross, redirect,
Gumanon siya.
or recross. Because if he answers Senator Judge Ontiveros, that would effectively place on record a conclusion of fact and law.
Correct. Tapos na. Dapat witness ang i-present mo para magsabi kung anong facts yung mga alam niya. Ganon. At doon mo i-determine yung mga witnesses at ebidensya na ipe-present. Doon ka magde-derive ng conclusion, Risa Hontiveros. Naiintindihan mo ba? Yan na nga ba yung sinasabi ko? Vindicated dito si Senator Marcoleta. Bakit? Nung sinabi niya na walang kaalaman sa batas o maliit ang kaalaman sa batas o limited ang kaalaman sa batas, Risa Hontiveros, ikaw mismo sinasabihan noon, kayo ni Rapi Tulfo. Tapos umangal kayo. Yung Erwin Tulfo bala. Yung Erwin Tulfo naman, ad hominem. O ayan na. Yung yan na yung resulta ngayon. Diyan mo na makikita ngayon na itong si Risa Hontiveros wala talagang background sa batas.
Not drawn from a witness, which they can very well do so during their closing remarks. And when I allow him to speak by way of repartee to the peroration yesterday and discussion yesterday by counsel for the prosecution. But other than that, as agreed with some of the senator judges, we would try to limit the answers of the counsels for the parties. With your indulgence, Senator Judge Ontiveros, please.
I submit
Aray mo, I submit. Sige, i-counter mo nga. Ipilit mo nga yung gusto mo, Risa Hontiveros. Dito sa pagdirig dito natin makikita na yung dating ginagawa nila Risa Hontiveros na ipinipilit talaga yung gusto nila, wala na. Hindi nila magawa ngayon.
Mr. Presiding
Thank you,
Officer, may I just in closing make of record that I also appreciated and also submitted to the ruling of the presiding officer.
May binabasa ka na naman. Nag-upgrade yung index card. Cellphone na ngayon. Chinat na naman sa'yo ng secretary mo yan.
Yesterday, because I appreciated that it partook
Gumaganon pa na parang wala namang binabasa. Nagpapanggap ka pa. Basahin mo na lang diretso. Halatang halata naman. Nagkukungwari ka pa eh.
of the history of impeachment proceedings in this court. Pinag-aralan ko rin po ng maigi ang mga nakaraang mga impeachment trials
Gagi, yan lang. Babasahin mo pa.
at di hamak na pati noon naging liberal ang pagpapahintulot nila sa mga katanungan.
So gusto mong maging liberal din ngayon dyan. Gusto mo na yung mga tanong mo ay maglilid sa closing remarks na. Shortcut na naman ang gusto mo.
Katanungan ng mga senator judges para lang mas maliwanagan ang iba't ibang punto. So I again thank the good presiding officer and again reiterate my submission to his ruling and thank the good counsel for the defense for his response.
We thank Senator Ontiveros for indulgence and understanding. Senator Villanueva.
Wala. Nga. Pahiya ka na naman. Hindi ka na naman nakaporma, no? Natanggalan ka ng kaisa-isang kaya mong gawin. Yung ipilit, yung gusto mo. yung litanya mong, no, 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 ganyan ka sa hearing, ganyan ka sa debate. Pero kapag ka dito na pala totoong usapan ay batas ang iiral at rules, wala ka palang alam. So, limited talaga yung knowledge mo pagdating sa batas. Tanggapin mo yan, Risa Hontiveros. At dito na ipapakita na yan ang katotohanan.